Today I'm taking you behind the design of our Admiral's Cove project. We transformed this home by focusing on only two areas, the formal living room and the bar area. I'll show you how these two rooms completely elevated the look and feel of this home. So our client came to us because she had this formal living space and bar area that needed a major overhaul. The home was very traditional and she wanted to go in more of a transitional contemporary look, and she really wanted a swanky lounge feel. The interior design style that we were doing was sort of an eclectic approach. We wanted to mix in and layer different materials and really get that cozy feel with textures and different elements in the space. We knew instantly that we wanted to just clean this space up and still keep some of the traditional details because the home is not completely transformed. So we didn't want this room to look so different than the rest of the house. In the living room, we really wanted to balance out the colors and textures. So on the large sectional, we went with this beautiful soft performance fabric. Then we really wanted to contrast and bring in some of that rich wood color. So we chose to do that on the sofa as well as the custom credenza that is behind the sofa as well. When we first started the design of the space, we really focused on the floor plan and the layout. That was number one. We wanted to make sure we were going to size this sectional appropriately for the room and really maximize the amount of seating that we can have here. With the design of this sectional, since it is so large, we didn't want it to be all seating, so we incorporated a table within the sectional. Another important table in the space was the custom designed coffee table. We couldn't find one that was the size that we needed to fit with the size of the sectional, so we decided to have our local workroom make one for us. We selected our own Chagrin leather, and we also sketched out the size of the table that we wanted, and they made it perfectly to fit within the space. So even though this room is different than the rest of the space, we still wanted to make it feel like it was a part of the home. We incorporated rich brown colors, jewel tone colors, and unique textures within the space. The swivel chairs were actually a really important design element in the space. We wanted to bring in some color to the room, but not overdo it. So we chose this beautiful mustard fabric that coordinated with the sconces that were behind it. We also custom designed this little chase to go in the corner. And we wanted it to be a part of the room, but then also feel like you have your own little cozy corner. The lighted wall was a really big element in this room. We actually selected the slab last after we selected all of the furniture and fabrics. Doing this lighted wall was a challenge. There are actually two slabs that are adhered to the wall with a lighted panel behind it. You can't just put a slab on the wall and hope that it stays, so we needed to put actually support in the ceiling and in the floor and behind it to make sure this slab isn't going anywhere. So when you're selecting a slab, not all slabs can be lit from behind. So this one we chose actually had areas of the crystal that the light will shine through, and then it has areas where the light won't shine through, which is exactly what we wanted. We didn't want the wall just to look like a lighted wall. We wanted it to have some dimension. The second area that we designed in this home was the bar. The inspiration behind the bar was classic approach. So we wanted to bring in the gold tones, the cristallo countertops, and then also a little pop of gold on the cabinetry, which is a hand-painted finish. Our client does a lot of entertaining, and they have a pretty elaborate liquor and glassware collection. We really wanted to highlight that and make sure there was enough storage, but also have their bottles on display. We created and engineered this custom rack that's hanging from the ceiling and also integrated lighting to it. This was a very elaborate process to design and construct and install. Thank you so much for watching today's Behind the Design tour. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more content like this. And if you're looking for more design inspirations, check out this next video.